Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first disconnect all USB pen drive and hard disk. Then next step, click to start, type device manager, open it. Then last one, your universal serial bus controller. Select USB 3.1 and USB 2.1. Select the first 3.1 USB and click to uninstall and then uninstall it. Now after that it will remove it, then next click to action, then scan hardware changes. After that it will come back, extract it, then select 3.1 USB, right click to update driver, search for automatically and then close it, then click USB 3 2.0 and update automatically and close it, and this is also closed. Then next, open any browser and download chipset driver. If you have Intel, so you can Intel, otherwise you are using AMD chipset driver, so this one. Okay, type Intel chipset driver. Which operating system are you using? So first link, right click to open new tab and go to this tab, scroll down, and you can also install USB 3.0 controller also. Otherwise you can type download also, so it will come directly download option. Might be this one, yeah, so this one I show you, chipset productive, and click to set up download exe. After that it will start, almost 100 MB. Completed, then single click to open file. Now select the languages, then next. Now again click to next. Oh, accept, click to them licenses, then next and install. Now it is installing. Then it is click to finish and then minimize. Then guys, repair Windows file via command, and this is so important for your system. Click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and then type this command, so it will restore corrupted file in your system. Okay, so after that it will start the percentage here, and when it is 100% completed, then try to second one, because of second one also important. Okay, like it will start like that. Then second one, sfc scan now, and then hit enter. So same it will start, and it will also complete it, then need to restart your system and then please check it. Thank you, and please comment me your issues resolved or not.